In this video, I'll be showing you how to use an inbuilt split screen from Microsoft Edge. Well, there's a free split screen in Microsoft Edge that you can actually use to split your screen. So let's say, for example, you are using an ultra wide screen, which of course I'm using an ultra wide screen, but at this moment I'm using a different screen to show you the how it works because of my screen recording software. So if you go to Microsoft Edge, and here you can see I have two browser opens. So if I go to the three dots here, which is settings and more, and I click on it, here you can see we have the option called split screen. So click on split screen. So it's going to ask you which of the screen you want to display on your second screen. So I'm going to select the Google Chrome. So if I select the Google Chrome here, you can see, for example, we also have a different options you can actually select. You can see if I click on the screen here you can see we have more options. So click on it, and here you can actually switch, for example, to vertical, and again we can also switch back again to horizontal. And also we also have the option, for example, I can switch left and right tabs, and also have some others you can play with. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. This is how to use the inbuilt free split screen from Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related videos. Bye.